Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to mirror joints in Maya, perfect if you're creating a skeleton for a Roblox character. Let's get started. So far, I've created some joints for the left arm and hand. Before we mirror them, it's a good idea to rename them with an L prefix, that way Maya knows which side they belong to. Now, I'll select all the left joints, go to the top menu, and choose Skeleton Mirror Joints. But nothing happens. If you check the script editor, you'll see an error message that says, "Too many arguments." So to fix this, just select the top joint only, in this case, the upper arm, and go back to Skeleton Mirror Joints. Now it works. Maya automatically creates new joints on the opposite side, with an R prefix added. Finally, just move or rotate the new right side joints so they match the right side of your Roblox character model. And that's it. You've successfully mirrored your joints in Maya, a quick and easy way to build a full, symmetrical skeleton for your rig. If this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Maya tips. Thanks for watching.